Transform your WordPress site into a sophisticated haven with a modern dark mode aesthetic that captivates your audience. Let's dive in and give your website a contemporary makeover. First, we need to access the site editor from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and then select Editor. This is where the magic begins. Now, it's time to choose your foundation. We'll explore theme options. You can either browse the default WordPress themes and look for those specifically designed for dark mode. Or you can visit the WordPress theme directory online, use keywords like dark theme or night mode to discover a wide array of visually appealing options. Once you've found a theme that catches your eye, install and activate it. You'll immediately see a significant change in your site's appearance, laying the groundwork for our dark mode transformation. Next, we'll fine-tune the details in the site editor. Locate the Styles option. This is your control center for all visual aspects. We'll focus on the color palettes. Here, you can customize your site's background color to a deep, rich black or charcoal subsequently. Adjust your text colors to a lighter, high-contrast shade like white or a soft gray. This ensures readability and a sophisticated look. Don't forget typography. Within the Styles panel, you can also adjust font styles and sizes to complement your dark theme. Choosing legible fonts and appropriate spacing will enhance the user experience. Now, let's refine specific elements while still in the Styles panel. Explore options for buttons, links, and other interactive elements. Ensure these also have a dark mode-friendly appearance, perhaps with subtle hover effects that pop against the dark background. And there you have it, a sophisticated, contemporary dark mode for your WordPress website, providing a comfortable and stylish viewing experience for your users. Happy designing!